Hey guys, what's up? It's Missy. Thanks for learning English with me. In this video, I would like to take a look at 25 basic sentences in English for you to learn. Let's begin. I think it's time to go. I think it's time to go. I think it's time to go. We have to call him now. We have to call him now. We have to call him now. What did you just say? What did you just say? What did you just say? I will see you later. I will see you later. I will see you later. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? He is driving too fast. He is driving too fast. He is driving too fast. I have to clean the stove. I have to clean the stove. I have to clean the stove. When can you come? When can you come? When can you come? I need to find my keys. I need to find my keys. I need to find my keys. He is vacuuming the living room. He is vacuuming the living room. He is vacuuming the living room. The restaurant opens at 11. The restaurant opens at 11. The restaurant opens at 11. He told me that he is sick. He told me that he is sick. He told me that he is sick. We ordered pizza for dinner. We ordered pizza for dinner. We ordered pizza for dinner. I bought a new couch. I bought a new couch. I bought a new couch. The cat needs to get her shots. The cat needs to get her shots. The cat needs to get her shots. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? I haven't told her yet. I haven't told her yet. I haven't told her yet. Someone is in the bathroom. Someone is in the bathroom. Someone is in the bathroom. This needs a new battery. This needs a new battery. This needs a new battery. Are there any left? Are there any left? Are there any left? The alarm is going off. The alarm is going off. The alarm is going off. She is so happy to see you. She is so happy to see you. She is so happy to see you. That is too loud. That is too loud. That is too loud. Follow me to the bank. Follow me to the bank. Follow me to the bank. Let's watch a movie together. Let's watch a movie together. Let's watch a movie together. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!